Hello and welcome to the Magic Lantern DVD guide for the Nikon D5000. Designed to address the needs of a wide range of photographers, the D5000 redefines what we've come to expect from a digital SLR in this price range. In many respects, it's a major step up from the Nikon D60 and has a lot in common with the highly acclaimed Nikon D90. But like all of today's digital cameras, the D5000 has a lot of features and controls that may be confusing to understand at first, even for an experienced SLR owner. And that's why I'm going to cut through the clutter and teach you what you need to know to get started shooting great pictures with the D5000 right away. The purpose of this DVD is to focus specifically on the buttons, knobs, switches, menus, and other controls of the D5000, so that you can choose the options and shooting techniques that will work best for you. If you want to learn more about general photographic topics like composition, f-stop, shutter speed, ISO, lenses, metering, histograms, and depth of field, then I suggest you watch the Magic Lantern DVD called Great Photos with Your Digital SLR. In that DVD, I explain the basics of achieving the right exposure, the differences among various types of lenses, focusing techniques, tips for good composition, the use of creative exposure settings to improve your photography, and much more. So let's get started learning about the D5000, because with a camera like this, which offers so many great features and advanced functions, we've got a lot of ground to cover.